Hi everyone. In today's class, we will see how to create resource calendars in Primavera. So, we have created some resources. It's a personal resources calendar. So, you'll see we have created some personal resources here. So, for these resources, you can see we have assigned the calendar already. So, this is a corporate calendar. This is a 5 by 8 calendar. For this calendar, now we are going to create a resource calendar. So, go to the enterprise, click the calendar. We can see global calendar and resource calendar, project calendar. So now we are going to see the resource calendar. In the resource calendar, you can see two subdivisions are available here. First one is the personal resource calendar. Next is the shared resource calendar. So personal resource calendar means you need to select a resource. For the particular resources you are going to create a calendar. If you are going to create a calendar for shared resource, that means when you are going to create a calendar, it will be shared between all the resources. Whatever resources available, it will be shared for all the resources. So first we will see how to create a personal resource calendar. For creating a personal resource calendar, you need to select any calendar available below the personal resource calendar and click add. So it will guide you through the resource window. So it will ask you to select the resources, for which resources you are going to create a personal resource calendar. So let's say for this particular resources, I'm going to create a personal calendar. Assign, select. So it will create a new resource calendar. So you can rename the calendar here. So you can just rename as per your requirement. Calendar, resource calendar for the particular resources. Okay. After you create here, now you need to okay, after you rename the calendar, you need to go to the modify here. So after you click the modify, now you are going to modify the calendar here as per your requirement. So you can see here it is 8 hours working. So detail is okay, 8 hours is there. So you need to make it to 5 by 8. 6 by 8 is here. The current calendar is 6 days is working, Sunday is a holiday, and 8 hours. So if you want to make it to 5 by 8 calendar, so how you are going to make? So you need to go to the work week. So since Sunday is already holiday, I want to make it Saturday is also a holiday. I'm going to make it to 0. So it is already 5. So if you are going to make it a 5 by 8 calendar, so all other days is 8 hours. Okay, just make it, click OK. So you can see it here. So you can check by every date. So every date is 8 hours. So you can see in any month or any year, you can see it's 5 by 8 calendar. So again, if you want to make it to non-working days, that is if you want to add any holidays here for the particular resources, so you may be particular resources may not be working, or a particular, since it is a personal resource calendar, the particular resource may be having a holiday or a vacation. So if you want to add a vacation in the future, let's say in the November or December, so since you want to add any holidays, okay, you can just shift select, and you can just make it as a non-working day. So the particular resource will not be working on the particular days. So this is how you are going to create a resource calendar, personal resource calendar. Then click OK. We will see how to create a shared resource calendar. For creating a shared resource calendar, you need to go to the resource option, then select any calendar below the shared resource calendar, then click add. When you click add, you can see there is a default calendars available from the database. You need to select your shared resource calendar, so for which you need to copy. So if you want to copy a 5 by 10 or 6 by 24, so which one you want to copy, you can just copy the calendar. So if you want to make it 5 by 10 itself, so you can just select the 5 by 10 calendar, then select. After you select, you can just rename the calendar. So for which resources you want to use this calendar. So okay, let's say this is from the site team. So okay, for site team. Okay, for site team or the QAQC, or as per your requirement you can just name the calendar. So if you want to modify it again, if you have modification, you can click the modify button. So if you want to, okay, I don't want to make it as a holiday, so I want to make it as a standard, so you can just click standard, so it will follow the 10 hours. So it's a 5 by 10 hours calendar. So click OK. After you modify, then your calendar is ready for the shared resource calendar. So how can you apply these calendars? So can just close this dialog box. After you close the dialog box, you need to go to the resources window. The resources window, okay, first we will see how to apply the shared resource calendar. You need to go to the bottom layout detailed tab. In the detailed tab you can find the calendar option. So this particular resources has the corporate standard full time, that is chosen from the global calendar. So now you want to select it from the resource calendar. So just go to the display. In the display you can see global calendars, share resource calendars. So you can just click the share resource calendar option. So from the share resource calendar option, you have already created the site team as a calendar. So you need to select the calendar for the particular resources, then select. So your calendar is applied to the particular resources.